Let's make a ring.
The first thing I gotta do is punch a hole in this. There we go. I'll just pop this out of here. And there's our punched quarter. I need to deburr the inside of this because it's real sharp. I'm going to smooth that out. It's one of these. There we go. Nice. And now we can fold it. If you're interested in any of the tools I use, you can go to coinringmaker.com and I have a recommended tool page on there. Can help you track down some of these tools a little easier. I know they're kind of hard to find and figure out. There we go. So that was 2 folds, and I'm going to stretch this out on my ring stretcher. This is my ring stretcher, and this is how I stretch rings. I'm going to go all the way until the gap is closed up and it's pretty well even, and then I'll flip the ring over, stretch it out the same way, and just kind of go back and forth like that. And you can actually stretch a ring pretty far by doing this. This ring is going to be a size 11, so I'm going to try and get it up to a size 12 and then reduce it down for shape. For the sake of time, I'm going to pause right here until I get this stretched out. Alright, so I stretched this a little further than a size 12. It's almost a size 13, but we're going to start to reduce it and get it down to a size 11. Now I'm just going to clean it up. There we go, guys. What do you think? Pretty nice little coin ring, huh?